In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a passkey in 1Password. So the first thing you want to do here inside your vaults, you want to go to Watchtower over here, top left, and from here you can see passkeys available. You want to click on Show Items, and then there's going to show you the websites where you can use passkeys. Now for me, there's 3 over here. So I have basically Gmail, I have GitHub, and I have X or Twitter. And then over here, as you can see, you can go ahead and set up the passkeys by just clicking on the site, clicking on Use Passkey. It's going to take you into passkeys.directory, and then here, as you can see, it's going to say where to set it up. You can go ahead and just click on the link, and you'll be able to set it up on that specific website for that specific key. So as you can see, add passkey, I can add it over here in my GitHub account. If I go over here, for example, into Gmail, use passkey, and then yet again, I want to click on here where to set it up, and I can set it up in here, and that's how you actually create passkeys in 1Password. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.